Now come to question number 5. Find the list number which must be added to each of the following numbers so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. See question number 1. It is 525. Find out the square root by long division method. Here make pairs from right hand side. See second pair, it is 5. How many times it will go? 2 times. Right here 2 and here 2. 2 to the 4. Write down below 5 and then subtract it. 5 minus 4, it is 1. Bring the second pair, that is 25. This number becomes 125. Now 2 plus 2, it is 4. Now you have to write a number, largest number, which when multiplied by new number so formed is either equal to 125 or less than what number. Here it will come 2. Write down 2 here and 2 here. Multiply this 2 to the 4 and 2 4 the 8. Now subtract it. 5 minus 4, it is 1, and 12 minus 8, it is 4. Here 22 square is less than 525. Here you have to find out what must be added to get it a perfect square. You have to take next perfect square, that is 23 square, that is 23 square. What is the square of 23? 529. Therefore, list number to be added equal to 23 square minus 525. That is 23 square is 529 minus 525 equal to 4. Therefore, required number equal to 525 plus 4, that is 529. Now let us find out the square root of this number. 529 make pairs from right hand side. How many times it will go? 2 times. The 2 to the 4. Now subtract it. You will get 5 minus 4 1. Then bring the second pair, that is 29. Now 2 plus 2, It is 4. Now here what will come? 3. It is 129. Subtracted, you will get 0. Therefore, square root of 529, it is 23. Therefore, your answer is 4 and 23. Now come to the second part. It is 1750. Find out its square root by long division method. Now make PS from right hand side. How many times it will go? 4 times. 4 4 j 16. Subtract it. What will you get? 1. Now bring the second pair. It is 50. The number becomes 150. Now 4 plus 4, it is 8. Now how many times it will go? We have to write the largest number which when multiplied by new number so formed is equivalent to 150 or less than 150. It will go 1 times. Here 81 multiplied by 1, it is 81. Write down 81. Then subtract it. What will you get? 69. Here what we conclude? That 41 square is less than 1750. So next perfect square it is 42. 42 square and 42 square is 1764. Therefore, least number to be added equal to 42 square minus 1750. 42 square is 1764 minus 1750, that is 14. Therefore, required number equal to 1750 plus 14 equal to 1764. Now let us find out the square root of this number. 1764. Make PS from right hand side. How many times it will go? 4 times. Here 4 4 ja 16. Subtract it. You will get 1. Bring the second pair. It is 64. The number becomes 164. 4 plus 4, 8. Put a dash here. What will come here in the dash? It will be 2. Write down 2. Multiply 82 into 2. You will get 2 to the 4 and 2 8 is 16. Subtract it. The window will be 0. Therefore, square root of 1764 equal to 42. Therefore, your answer is 14 and 42. Now come to third part. It is 252. Again find out the square root of this number by long division method. Here make pairs from right hand side. How many times it will go? One time. It is 1 1 ja 1. Subtract it. 2 minus 1. It is 1. Bring the second pair. It is 52. Number becomes 152. Here 1 plus 1. It is 2. Now how many times it will go? It will go 5 times. Here multiply 25 by 5. 5 5 ja 25. 2 carry. 5 2 ja 10. Plus 2 12. Subtract it. You will get 27. Here what we conclude? That 15 square is less than 252. The next perfect square, it is 16 square. And what is the square of 16? It is 256. Therefore, least number to be added equal to 16 square minus 252. What is 16 square? It is 256 minus 252. That is 4. Therefore, required number equal to 252 plus 4, that is 256. Now let us find out the square root of this number. Here make pairs from right hand side. How many times it will go? 1 times. Write 1, subtract it. What will you get? 1. Bring the next pair, that is 52. Your number becomes 152. 1 plus 1, it is 2. Now how many times it will go? 6 times. You will get 152. Subtract it. What will you get? 0. Therefore, square root of 252, it is 16. Therefore, your answer is 4 and 16. Now come to fourth part. It is 1825. Find out square root by long division method. Take pairs from right hand side. Now how many times it will go? 4 times. 4 4 is 16. Subtract it. 8 minus 6, it is 2. Bring the second pair, that is 25. The number becomes 225. Now 4 plus 4, it is 8. Now how many times it will go? It will go 2 times. Write down 2 here and 2 here. It is 2 to the 4 and 2 at the 16. Subtract it. Here 5 minus 4, it is 1. 12 minus 6, it is 6. It is 61. What we conclude? That 42 square is less than 1825. Therefore, next perfect square it is 43 square. What is the square of 43? It is 1849. Therefore, list number to be added, it is 43 square minus 1825. What is 43 square? It is 1849 minus 1825. What will you get? 24. Therefore, required number equal to 1825 plus 24. It is 1849. Now find out square root of 1849. 1849. Here, make pairs from right hand side. Now how many times it will go? 4 times. 4 4 is 16. Subtract it. What will you get? 8 minus 6, 2. Bring second pair, that is 49. The number becomes 249. Now 4 plus 4, it is 8. Now how many times it will go? 3 times. Here write down 3. 3 3 is 9 and 3 8 is 24. Subtract it. You will get 0. Therefore, square root of 1849 equal to 43. Therefore, your answer is 24 and 43. Come to fifth part. It is 6412. Now find out square root by long division method. Make pairs from right hand side. How many times it will go? 8 times. So write down 8 and 8. 8 8 is 64. Subtract 8. What will you get? 0. Bring the second pair. It is 12. Now 8 plus 8, 16. Here what will come? 0. It will be 0. Subtract 8. What will you get? 12. What we conclude? That 80 square is less than 6412. The next perfect square, it is 81 square. And what is the square of 81? It is 6561. Therefore, this number to be added equal to 81 square minus 6412. What is the square of 81? It is 6561 minus 6412. Subtract it. What will you get? 149. Therefore, required number equal to 6412 plus 149 equal to 6561. Now let us find out the square root of this number. 6561. Make pairs from right hand side. How many times it will go? 8 times. 8 8 is 64. Subtract 8. What will you get? 5 minus 4, 1. Bring second pair. That is 61. The number becomes 161. Now 8 plus 8, 16. Now how many times it will go? 1 times. It is 161. Subtract 8. What will you get? 0. Therefore, the square root of 6561 equal to 81. Therefore, your answer is 149 and 81. Come to next question.